Hey YouTube, so I know I've been missing for like forever. I took a year hiatus, which was unprecedented, uncalled for, unplanned. I was not trying to do that. I was really trying to be consistent with you guys, but things happen, life happens. I am back per request via Snapchat. A friend of mine asked me to do an eyebrow tutorial for you guys, so today I have completed said tutorial. Basically though, I will say this, if you ever get to see me in person, my eyebrows, the gradient right here is like orangey brown, kind of, I call them sunset brows. So, and the reason I call them sunset brows is because when the sun sets, it's like orange and yellow out there, and obviously that's my skin color. So without further ado, here is the sunset eyebrow tutorial. So learn how to do your eyebrows like me. Okay, so what I do when I'm doing my brows is I start with a spoolie. So I just get a spoolie. This is a spoolie that I use. It used to be an actual brown pencil that I used to fill my eyebrows in with like 2 years ago. Anyways, just use it to brush my brows. So I'm gonna do that now and get them all laid out for you guys so you can see. You just want to make sure all the hair is going in one direction. It's all laying down one way. So I grab this Revlon pencil. Velvet black is the color. And I don't know why y'all be doing that on YouTube, but whatever. I just take that and I fill in my brows. Like, I just go and I draw the line that I need or however long I want it. So I'm going to demonstrate that for y'all. When I do my brows like this, I don't draw the lines perfect. Like, I just don't. Like, I really don't. I mean, I am a perfectionist when it comes to my brows. Don't get me wrong. I really am. It's just, I'm not really good at drawing, okay? I'm not really good at drawing. So, yeah. Then, and I really don't like the shape of this brow. So. Anyway, I got y'all. We finna lay and slay these shit down. I don't really focus on filling in the tail end until after I have both shapes done. So you guys will see how that works. And because my eyebrows grow so weird, I don't like to start on the bottom. Like, I learned how to do my eyebrows at MAC, and the lady told me, she was like, you should always start with the lowest hair and make your line like that, blah, 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 blah. I still do that. It's just on my tail end because I need to go get these hoes threaded. I don't do that. I make a whole new shape. The excess hair just gets covered up with concealer. Like, that shit that you'll see will be covered with concealer because I am a cheap ass, lazy ass bitch and I don't feel like going to Perfect Brow to get my eyebrows done. So, when you finally get the shape that you desire, go ahead and fill in the tail. So, I am just gonna fill these in now. I know y'all are probably like, oh my god, his brows are dark as shit. They are. That is not by accident. They are dark as shit on purpose. But it's an effect that I do. So I have all of this filled in. There's marking on top or whatever. You know all it is. Like, what the fuck? I'm finna clean all of that up. Watch. I forgot. I always brush my eyebrows before I say I'm done, because I'm not ever done until I brush these hoes in. So that's why I kind of draw them in really, really thick like, and I make them look dark as hell because I'm going to go through and edit this. And edit to me is just, you know, adding concealer in areas that need to be concealed. So that's what I'm doing here. So now, boom, you see this is like all, should look uniform now. Still need a little bit of everything. And it's funny because my eyebrows come out like really, really thick in this part, this process of doing them. And I always even freak out. I'm like, oh my god, my brows are so big. Like, what the fuck? And I rock a thin brow all the time. So, don't let that fool you. Then I take this dark brown pencil by Cherry Moya. Max Makeup by Cherry Moya. I got this at my local beauty supply store, actually. I think it was like $2. And it's one of these little twisty pins or whatever. I really, really like it. And I bought it because originally I was going to start doing dark brown eyebrows again. But this is more like a pomade pencil and it just doesn't work like that. So we just kind of draw it out. You see, like my actual brow stops like right here. And I just draw this out and fill it in with brown. Because you know if you see like the Instagram girls, they have those really nice gradients on their eyebrows and stuff. And you're like, how do they do that? I don't really know how they do it. I'm going to be honest. I really don't. But this is how I do it. And I know there's probably a makeup guru watching this going, what in the fuck is this kid doing? And to be honest, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I've been doing this for the last year and a half, 2 years, and it's been working out swell for me, so I'm going to keep doing what I do. Yeah, it's just kind of funny to me because I actually filmed this video twice, and you couldn't see me in the video. I wasn't centered. And the lighting was also trash. Which, I think the lighting is still trash, but whatever. So, while you got these two fucking caterpillars on your fucking face, what you're gonna wanna do is grab your Pro Conceal in the color Toffee, if you my color, which is like a reddish orange brown. This is really not my color. I'm also gonna be honest with y'all, it's really not my color. But, I rock the fuck out of it and I'll be looking so damn good. So I'm gonna put this back behind my ear or whatever. Looking like a little fucking slave child or some shit. I don't know. Looking like Frida Kahlo. Then you're going to take your Brow Fix Brow Kit by Milani. And you're going to get this little middle pencil brush right here. The little middle brush right here. It's got a little sharp ass edge on it. You see? Bow! Sharp ass edge. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your Pro Conceal and you're going to take this. You're going to open your Pro Conceal. After you open your Pro Conceal, you're going to squeeze a little bit out of that. Squeeze a little bit of it out and put it on this brush. So this is how I get my eyebrows back thin. And watch this magic, y'all. Watch this magic. So it's gonna get better. You see that? You see that coming together already. I know my eyebrows still look thick as hell. It is. So I just got lazy and I put the Pro Conceal directly over my eyebrow. I don't really ever do that unless I'm rushing. So I am going to just clean this up off camera and then I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so I'm back. Basically what I did was I just went and not filled, but did the concealer part for this brow. But as you can see, like, you know, both eyebrows are pretty much like sharp, on point. I have concealer in the middle, right here, to blend out the gradient that I made. Which is like, why would you add that if you're gonna just take it right back away? Bitch, don't fucking judge me. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just doing shit. And I like it. But just to make sure it's like the right color and everything, I do add a little bit more, kind of going up and down. Because a little goes a long way with this Pro Conceal. Especially when we get to the blending stage, which I have way too much makeup up here to start really like, to blend this effectively. But whatever. This brush is by Mary Kay, It says Cream Eye Color Concealer. It's really a concealer brush. I really just use this on the bottom of my brows to blend in the concealer. And I use it to take away excess concealer in the middle right here where there like gets a little color distortion from the makeup. And you guys will see that later. To blend this part of the makeup in, I use this brush right here, which literally is no brand. It's off brand. This is what I use to get my gradient going and to blend the excess concealer around my eyebrow. So we'll just take this brush now and start to blend. I go up and like outward like this, you know, and like on the sides I just kind of go like out. Like I just try to fucking blend that shit. Like I just spread that shit around. It's kind of hard to like just slap and pat it in place. I'm not sure if it's like the lighting in my house or whatever, but when I first started to use concealer on my eyebrows, there used to be like a little halo ring. And I hate the halo ring effect. I really do. I hate that shit. It's unattractive to me, and it's very obvious that I'm wearing makeup. So I try to make my eyebrows just look as naturally arched and as naturally like slayed as they can. So, as you can see, it's about as blended as it's gonna get. Now for the middle, oh my god. They're two different sizes. I had to go edit an eyebrow, this one, because it was thicker than the other one. Okay, but now I can show y'all when you get ready to blend to get your gradient, like how I do this. I was really just looking at my eyebrows like, wow, bitch, you really fucked them up today. Like, and not in a good way. I'm so ashamed of my brow. Okay. So I literally just kind of bring this shit down right here first. And then I start going to the sides. Just boom. To create that natural gradient. Like, I go at an angle a little bit. Because I guess eyebrows really kind of like whoosh at the top, and then they go like that. You know, there's a fucking it goes adjacent. Like it goes like wham, wham. Like it's not straight up and down. Then you're gonna take your Mary Kay concealer brush, this one, boom, or whatever, and you're just gonna go underneath and just. You see what I'm doing? Well, underneath like that. Cleaning that shit up. So that's what you want to do. You want to go and clean that shit up. Make sure you got all the makeup where it's supposed to be. And that's it. You just want to... Girl, I need a shave. And I'm a terrible makeup artist, y'all. You wanna know why? Because this brush that I'm using right now, I use it to do my contour too. I feel like it's good enough. And then just as a final touch, I go and I blend with my... This is a MAC compact and this is a MAC sponge. A really good blending tip is to wet your sponge, like make it damp, and then use that. I like to look matte, and I'm not sure if this helps my makeup become more matte-like, but I prefer a matte look over everything else. So this kind of just helps me keep that matte finish where I'm not looking too glossy. Oh, I hate being not matte. This is how I do my eyebrows. So I hope y'all enjoyed that video. That was me doing my sunset brows. I don't really do makeup tutorials a whole bunch, so I was really nervous. I didn't know what the fuck I was doing really. You guys know I have the other video with my get ready with me with it, which concludes my daily makeup routine, which is completely changed and all of that. But yes, so I'm so glad you guys watched. Thank you for watching me. There will be more videos in the future, so be on the lookout for that. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Mwah.